self-made drones.
Really?
Yeah. So don't worry. Yeah. So the actual computer part, yeah, that's from something called SpeedyB. The frame from like something RVS.
Okay. So you guys are developer or like engineer, something like that?
Yeah, we're all like engineering students. At
So this is experiment, right? Kind of? Or
no, not really. Just for fun. So we made the drones to get some experience for on electrical soldering, because you need some skills in that too.
Okay.
But yeah.
And you are using this, I mean, VR some
FPV.
Yeah,
the
okay.
FPV bulbs. Unfortunately, we can't really show you because we our batteries are low.
Yeah, I'm listening from the the battery low and it's going down.
Oh yeah.
Okay. It's going very fast, that's why.
Oh yeah. I think I'll almost say the kid over there, because they weren't the people that were with me. They weren't watching.
Okay.
I was asking them, oh, is there someone?
So you build, and yeah, you are not selling, right?
No.
Okay.
Right now we're just building.
Oh,
We
okay.
might start a business like that soon. It would be kind of cool.
Okay.
But yeah, it's just for pleasure.
You plan to name the instrument? He's in your team?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I was just asking. You're from which country?
Me?
Yeah.
My background's Iraqi.
Which one?
Iraqi.
Iraqi. Okay. You
French.
French. Yeah. You similar to Asian. That's why I asked.
Oh, it's
Similar
the
to
what?
Asian. Yeah. I thought maybe India or yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's in Asia.
Yeah.
Middle East.
All right. See you. I hope you guys will be somewhere in top in business, inshallah. Okay. You all are engineering students.
Yeah.
Still studying, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Still studying.
So
So
third year.
yeah.
Third year. This is part of your project or
No,
just
no,
for fun?
Fun.
It's great. Okay then. Thank you. Nice to meet you.